So far, this is my very favorite experiment. I've got cayenne peppers growing on this thing, and we're in a little tiny 4-inch pot, and it's growing well. I'm gonna have to transplant it here soon, but this is proof that you don't necessarily need a ton of soil, you just need a good balance of soil and the right amount of moisture. After quite a bit of manual labor, which I was happy to do, here's a look at all the different stuff that we have in here. I'm very, very proud of this cayenne pepper. I was growing it in a little 3-inch pot, I believe 4-inch pot, with a silicone bottom. This is a 1-week update, and as you can see, that cayenne pepper is nice and orange. We've got some peppers buried in there that we're gonna make some hot sauce with. Oh yes, that is gonna be awesome. Here is an update for this cayenne pepper. I made hot sauce with peppers, exclusively with peppers that I grew in this thing or from this plant. And this plant has been going nuts in the GreenStalk. Absolutely ballistic. You can't really see all the stuff going on. I need to trim out some of this tomato and basil, make room for this. If you follow over here, you can see this is that cayenne pepper. Like, it is shooting shoots everywhere. It really wants a little bit more hot weather so it can really produce a ton of peppers so I can make more hot sauce. This is potentially the last look at the cayenne pepper plant that started inside. Made my first hot sauce with. This is so cool. I did harvest some seeds, and I've already got a couple plants growing inside that I'm gonna try to grow over the winter time, and that should be a lot of fun. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we're out.